I'd like to show you my 2017 Corvette Z06 Sport Coupe. Now this car is done in Long Beach red, and it has Kalahari interior, the 3LZ package. As you can see, I have the chrome wheels, which I matched up with the chrome badge package when I ordered it. Now when I ordered this car, I also specified a couple of unique options. The PBC, which is the engine build experience, and I also specified the buyer's tour. So on April 25th, 2017, I went to Bowling Green, Kentucky, met the plant manager and the assistant plant manager. I had my own room, then they brought me down to my own private assembly area, where over the next 9.5 hours I hand assembled the engine. Now this car has the complete Z07 options on it that I ordered a la carte. It has the carbon ceramic brakes. You can see the front splitter, and it's got the wicker bill in the back. The interior is Kalahari leather, and you can see that carbon fiber on the seats, so I matched that up with the carbon fiber dash. This car is an 8-speed automatic. Got a nice stance to it. And let me show you the engine, the LT4. And there it is, supercharged, 650 horsepower. And I'll show you part of the assembly process. You put your name on the front of the engine, as you can see there. And there's a buyer's tour sticker over there. And Sarah Watkins, who's a full-time engine builder at Bowling Green, she helped me walk me through the process of assembling this engine. That took me 9.5 hours. So there you go, that's the 2017 Z06 Sport Coupe, Long Beach red.